So today I'm going to make some muffins. I'm going to try out Cupcake Jemma's recipe for blueberry muffins. But because we don't have blueberries, I'm going to switch it up and use chocolate chips instead that we have. And let's see what ingredients we need to use. First of all, we have wet ingredients and dry ingredients. We start with the wet ingredients. We need to have two eggs, two large eggs. These are free-range organic eggs. We need to have buttermilk, but I don't have buttermilk, and I don't have milk. But I do have sour cream and plain yogurt. So today we try and put in together 320 grams of sour cream and plain yogurt. We need oil. I have around here 70 grams of oil. I have coconut oil, but you can use vegetable oil or any oil you want. And we also have 70 grams of melted butter. I haven't melted mine yet, but I'll just melt this very quickly into the microwave. For the dry ingredients, we need plain flour. So this is all-purpose flour. And we have here 270 grams of plain flour. We need sugar. So here I have brown and white sugar. I've mixed it all together, caster sugar. So we have 135 grams of caster sugar here and 65 grams of soft brown sugar. And for the rising agent, we're using baking powder. So here we have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And for the filling, you can either have blueberries. If you're using blueberries, I recommend you freeze them before so that when they are in the oven, they will come out just right, or cranberries, or whatever you want. But here I have around 150 grams of really dark chocolate butter. All right, so the first step is you mix the wet ingredients separately from the dry ingredients. I have the wet ingredients, of course, we need the eggs. So 2 large eggs. And it's very easy, you just put them all together in one bowl. So I have my 2 large eggs. I have my oil. I have my melted butter, it's been melted. Put them all together. And then you put in the buttermilk, or in my case, sour cream and yogurt. And mix them all together with a whisk. Mix together the dry ingredients, and we have here the flour, all-purpose flour. Put in the sugar, the baking powder, and the chocolate. And you just put a whisk, mix them all together, make sure they're all nicely mixed. Now that you have your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients, you just mix them all together. So put them in a little bit at a time. So just continue and mix your dry ingredient with your wet ingredients. Don't over mix it, just do a little bit. So I've mixed all the ingredients together, and now we're just going to put them into the muffin cups. Okay, so the mixture is ready, and I'm going to use spoons to just spoon the mixture into the muffin cups. And make sure you don't put all the chocolate into one muffin and leave no chocolate in the other muffins. So you just put them here into the muffin cup, just put a little bit to the top. So it's around 2 spoons, 4 per cup. Alright, so the muffins are all in the cups, and now I'm going to put them into the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, fan assisted. So I can bring this into the oven. And alright, so the muffins are out of the oven, and don't they look divine? Alright, let's get your tea or coffee ready. Let's have some. Alright, so this is the muffin. Let's see what it's like inside. It's still nice and warm, and it smells divine. I hope you enjoyed that, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.